How to fix CX File Explorer not working. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix CX File Explorer not working. First, run a malware scan with your antivirus program to see if any files or programs could be creating problems. If you haven't installed the latest version of CX File Explorer, then try to update the file manager. Then check the compatibility of the system with the file manager that you are using. Inspect that your app is installed appropriately on your device and there is no virus in the app that is creating the problem. Otherwise, try reinstalling the app to avoid any difficulty. Make sure you have the authorizations required to access the file or folder. For help, you need to get in touch with the system administrator or the owner of the file. To get around permission constraints, try launching CX File Explorer with administrator rights. Next, verify that you have the right permissions established by the network administrator before accessing any data on a network disk. The temporary files or cache data occasionally lead to access problems. Try cleaning the app's cache and data within the app or in the device settings to resolve the problem. To find and fix any disk faults, use the built-in disk checking tools in Windows, such as chkdsk. Then, check if the disk problem solves your access denied issue. Temporarily disable antivirus or security software on your PC to check if it causes the access denied error when accessing files or folders. Security software sometimes blocks legitimate access. If you use uncomplicated firewall or UFW, allow your Android device to connect by setting up rules in UFW to accept connections from your device's IP address. Then locate the folder you want to share on your PC. Right-click it and go to Properties. Under the Sharing tab, ensure Allow Others to Create and Delete Files is checked. This lets you manage files both ways. Next, select the Permissions tab from the properties of the shared folder. To make sure your Android device accesses the folder, set the Others option to access files. To access the shared folder, use the CX File app on your Android device. If access is successful, it means that your settings are accurate. If the above steps don't work, consider using Secure Shell or SSH methods like CSP or rsync for file transfer. These methods are a bit more technical but offer a reliable alternative.